Yes, yeah. We talking about love.
Jambo and welcome back. This is Aggie with Aggie's Vine. If you are new to my channel, kindly join the family by subscribing. And if you are returning, welcome back. And thank you for joining me. Like I told you, I am your online agent to all things online business, passive income, digital marketing. So welcome back to this channel and get ready to get useful information that will help you make tons of money online. Today's video is no exception. We are continuing with the ChatGPT series, and I am bringing you today some 10, or rather not 10, sorry. Yeah, 10 different businesses that you can start using ChatGPT. 10 different businesses. 10 different AI businesses that you can start using ChatGPT. These are businesses that will generate you insane amounts of money. You have to be willing to just go ahead and sign up for ChatGPT and start making this money. Everybody is using ChatGPT right now, and I do not want you to be left behind. So I am sharing this information with you. Now, as I share it with you, I am also using it to grow my online business, to grow my online brand. So I'm sharing something that is useful to me, as I know it will be useful to you. So the number one business that you can use, or rather you can, number one AI business that you can use to make money online using ChatGPT is by becoming a personalized shopping assistant. You can use ChatGPT to create personalized shopping assistant that can help customers find the products they're looking for, make recommendations, and provide answers to their questions. Now, how do you do this? Remember in my previous video, I told you how to join ChatGPT. You go to OpenAI, which is the company that created ChatGPT. So it's openai.com, and you sign up. And once you sign up, then you can just go into the texts and you can tell the ChatGPT, or rather put the inquiries that you would like to get from ChatGPT, and it will give you a detailed response back. So you can become a personalized shopping assistant. So that's one way you can make money using ChatGPT. The other second business idea is becoming a virtual human resource assistant using ChatGPT. So how do you do this? You can use ChatGPT to create virtual human resource assistant that can handle employee inquiries, scheduling, and other administrative tasks. Again, once you go to ChatGPT and type these inquiries in ChatGPT, it will outline everything for you, and it can guide you on how you can become a virtual human resource assistant using this amazing software. The number three business that you can, or rather the number three artificial intelligence business you can do using ChatGPT is becoming a chatbot customer service. Chatbot is like a chat robot. So chatbot customer service, use ChatGPT to create chatbot customer service agent that can provide quick and accurate responses to customer inquiries and complaints. So for example, a company has, you can go to like frequently asked questions in different company websites and basically pull up all those questions and then go to ChatGPT and put those inquiries in ChatGPT, and it will give you responses. So using those responses, you can create a chatbot customer service agency to service those companies, and you can make money online that way. I'm telling you, this information I'm giving you is incredible. If you put it to use, it is definitely going to make you tons and tons of money. The number four AI business idea you can use ChatGPT with is becoming a language translation service. So we all know, like when you go to Google, you can type, translate to whatever language, but with ChatGPT, you can use it to create language translation service that can translate text or speech from one language to another in real time. Okay, so you can use this to provide this service in real time to agencies that would want to have, you know, their documents translated, or if you are a listed online translator, you can use ChatGPT to help you, you know, make money that way. The number 5 business idea or AI business idea you can use ChatGPT with is becoming a personal financial assistant. Again, use ChatGPT to create personal finance assistants that can help users manage their budgets, track their expenses, and make investment recommendations. I cannot insist enough on how important this and how magnificent this ChatGPT software is. Again, just a reminder, you go to openai.com and you sign up and you're ready to go. You just, you know, go to the text prompt and put your inquiry, and ChatGPT will give you back the response that you're looking for. Also, you can also use another business idea, rather number 6 business idea you can do using AI ChatGPT is become an AI powered legal research. So you can use ChatGPT to create AI powered legal research tool that can help lawyers and legal professionals quickly find relevant cases, laws, and regulations. Okay, this is something that you can also use or rather you can do using ChatGPT to make you tons and tons of money. Now, people are pressed for time out there. As I'm giving you this information, you could be going, oh, if this information is out there, I'm pretty sure people are using it. Not everybody has got the time on their hands to do it. So use this information to create these businesses, and you will be amazed how much or how many customers you can get, because not everybody has got the time to go and do the research. Just like not everybody has got the time to research ways of making money online, and that's why I became that virtual agent for you, so I can bring you this information. So there, like I said, there is something for everybody. The 7th business idea you can use, AI business idea you can use with ChatGPT, is to become a virtual personal stylist. You can literally do anything with ChatGPT, basically, is what I'm trying to tell you. So with ChatGPT, you can create a virtual personal stylist that can recommend outfits, provide fashion advice, and help customers find clothing that fits their style and body type. How amazing is that? Everything has been simplified for you by ChatGPT. Get on board and use this software, because guys, I'm telling you, there is money to be made with ChatGPT. All right, and the 8th business idea, and I'm giving you so many business ideas in one video, but anyway, I'm here to bring you value, so let's keep on going. The 8th business idea that you can use, or rather you can use ChatGPT with, is to become a smart home automation. So you use ChatGPT to create smart home automation system that can control lights, appliances, and other devices based on voice commands or text inputs. Life has never been easier, I'm telling you guys. So you can literally go to ChatGPT and it will create a smart home automation for you. And you can use that. You can actually sell these to people. Once you create it for yourself, you can sell it to people and make millions. Guys, this is great information. All right. And then the 9th business idea that I have for you, 9th AI business idea that I have for you, is becoming a virtual health coach. People are always trying to lose weight. Again, use ChatGPT to create virtual health coach that can help users set and achieve their health and fitness goals, track their progress, and provide motivational support. And the last business idea, obviously, is social media marketing tool. You can use ChatGPT to create a social media marketing tool that can analyze data, identify trends, and provide insights into audience behavior, preferences, and interests. Guys, I cannot insist enough how much money there is to be made out there using ChatGPT. Please, please, please use this information. You will thank me later. The information I'm bringing you is super valuable. It is out there. Everybody is using it. So please get on the bandwagon and use this information because it will create you money. We are here to create wealth, and I am your virtual online agent for all these things: online money, online income, passive income. So let's do it, guys. Let's do it. All right. If you like this video and you think this information is super helpful to you, and you would like to see more videos like these in the future, please give my video a thumbs up. Also support me by subscribing, telling a friend, sharing the video with other people that can benefit from it, so that we can all work towards that financial freedom. And I will see you in my next video. Thank you for joining me on this one, and go Harry.